Hello dear student, I am Rajwant Singh from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I will explain the poem of the one world. First of all, you have to know about the poem, about the brief summary of this poem. So let's start. In this poem, we experience American poet Mary Oliver's strong and touching perception of nature. The poet Mary Olivers has described about the strong and touching perception of the nature, about the birds that survive in the nature, and they have explained a brief summary about this poem. And by this poem, Mary Olivers has mentioned the many types of birds and the routines of the birds in the nature. This morning, the beautiful white hero was floating along above the water. Mary Olivers says that this morning, at that time, this morning, the beautiful white hero was floating along above the water. That this hero was floating over the water at that time in the morning. And then into the sky of this, the one world we all belong to. And further, Olivers adds, and then into the sky of this. In the sky, they flew and they run. The one world we all belong to. And Oliver says that this is whole the world is only one, and they all survive in this atmosphere. And we all belong to this world, and we belong to this nature, and we belong to these natural things that they all are surviving in the nature. Where everything sooner or later is a part of everything else. And further, Oliver says that where everything from all the areas, from all the circles, all the surviving things that situated in the nature, sooner or later is a part of everything else. And Oliver says that after some time, or at that time, or after a long time, every person, everything that survives in the nature, they join the nature and they have to survive in the nature. And further, Oliver said, which thought made me feel for a little while quite beautiful myself. And Mary Oliver says, this thought of surviving in nature and everything included in this nature for some time or for a long time or after some time, they all are in the nature and they all provide the safety and the things that are usual for us and beneficial for us are survived in this nature. For a little while, and Oliver says that if we say for some time or for a moment, quite beautiful myself, all the things, or you can say everything in the nature are made up of their surviving things, and they serve the nature very carefully, and these things are very compulsory to our nature. In the nature, everything have the best role, and the duties of the different things are different, and if we do our duties very honestly, then our nature will be the best, and that is beneficial for us and for that for the everything that is surviving in the nature. They both provide the security, safety, and the many beneficial things for the birds, for the people, and for everything. This is the poem of the one word. And the poet expresses about their experience and the everything that is in the nature, and everything helps to create the nature. And this is the very compulsory thing to save our nature, because without nature we cannot live on the earth, and we cannot survive their lives. So for you all, not for only one, for you all, for everything, all the animals, all the persons should do the best for the nature to create a good environment and to save our nature, so that we can live properly, so that we can live safely in the nature and on the earth. This is the whole poem, and by this poem we all are concerned to save our nature, and we don't do anything that is harmful for the nature and that can destroy the things of our nature. That's all. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.